Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. So this video is going to be me changing the front shocks on the 2005 Nissan Honda Element. So you guys can see the bushing, the upper bushing to my shocks is pretty much done. When I go above 60, my car shakes. But my control arms pretty much need to be changed too, I'm pretty sure. So you guys can see the bushings, but I'm working on the shocks right now. It's a 2005, and you guys are trying to take, I don't normally, older cars, man, they are an absolute pain as far as getting the bolts off. I had to use a cheetah bar and a pipe. It's a pretty long bar and a pipe to actually break the bolt here. Managed to break both those bolts. So pretty much you gotta take the this off. You gotta take this bracket off. You gotta take the bracket to the brake line off. Two bolts right here and another bolt here. You gotta take those off. I'm gonna do all four of my shocks, and hopefully it's not going to be a hard job, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a hard job. I did get the spring compressor from AutoZone. Bought the shocks from eBay. The thing about it is, if you guys are buying these shocks, the reason why I bought these shocks without the springs is because the ones with the spring are they're like double the price, I think, triple the price, $300. But funny thing is, this doesn't come with it. The bushing, the top bushing does not come with it. I had to buy this separately, which sucks. I didn't know. I had these shocks 3 weeks ago. I'm just waiting for these to come before I do put in the shocks for this. I mean, it doesn't even, so it's the first time doing this, so on this car. So it's really an annoyance knowing that, I know that the springs didn't come with it, but knowing that this didn't come with it, really a pain in the butt. But this should be a simple job. Once I get it off, I'm gonna compress the springs and I'm gonna put it back on. Yeah, guys, so basically I thought that was gonna be pretty easy, but if you guys check this out, you guys have this tie rod joint. If it's really rusted, here's the thing of Hondas, man. And this is the first time I've worked on this car before. It's the first time I worked on this car, 2005 actually. So I'm checking to see whether there's anything that I can actually put on this stud right here to hold it while this turns. Because it's rusted, normally what happens is, when you turn this, it's supposed to just spin right off. It's not spinning right off because this whole entire thing is spinning. The thing about it is, this whole entire thing is not spinning. This thread, this bolt is spinning. I don't think this is connected to this bolt. I don't know if I gotta take this off to get to it. I don't think so. And I'm spending so much time right now trying to get this stupid nut off. We'll see how this goes, because I'm having to use some vice grips to get a hold of this while I take this off. It's just a pain in the butt, something like this. It's just an absolute pain in the butt. So this is how I got this off. I had to use these vice grips to hold the thread right here while I use these wrenches to turn it. Why did they make it like this, considering you might just ruin the threads doing that? But I'm glad I was actually able to get off. And this right here comes right off pretty easy. So I'm just gonna take off the bolts from the top and just, these two right here, and this should just come off. Man, this whole entire thing took me so long, guys. So I'm changing the springs on here, and here's the thing. I had to get use this wrench, and I had to get this bit, which is a star bit, to actually put into the because once you turn it, this whole entire thing turns. So you gotta stabilize this before you can actually turn the nut on here. So that's what I'm doing. It's a star bit. I tried using the other bit. It's a little bit deep, so you want it a little bit deep. It's just one of these bits right here, and it's a square. It's not even one of these you know, 6-sided things patterns. So yeah,